pigeon is not known for its aggressive tendencies. On the contrary, it's a classical symbol of peace. So let's put two doves of peace together.
Oh, they're fighting.
They are, and quite viciously. In fact, I can't leave them together very long, or they will hurt each other quite seriously. Now, if these were two boys in a street gang, this would be a social problem, and many kinds of answers would be proposed to it. If you assume that this is some basic physiological pattern of aggression which has to be treated as such, the solutions are very difficult. Therapy would be a very extensive sort of treatment. However, these birds were not always aggressive. In fact, at one time they were quite peaceful. What happened to make them aggressive, I can show you by putting in another bird to exhibit a kind of reinforcement of aggression which produced the results you've just seen. Now this pigeon, when the green light is on, as you see on the word on the wall, this bird is occasionally reinforced for attacking the other. Meanwhile, you see this bird is protesting peacefully. The aggressor is aggressing because of what he gets out of it. Now, when I change a stimulus, I've turned off a green light, and you will see that the other pigeon, although it occasionally attacks, is much less aggressive. Now I turn the light back to green again, it will fight in order to be paid off.
Now, why is that, Dr. Skinner?
Well, it's just like the experiment in discrimination we saw earlier. In the presence of a green light, attacking this bird pays off. In the presence of a white light, attacking the bird does not. You'll see a little aggression, but it is still, you see, pretty much under control.
Yeah.
Now, with the green light, it comes right back and attacks again.
Yes.
When we first started this, we observed that the aggressor was behaving in a perfectly cool manner, very much as if he were pecking a key on a wall. But as this behavior develops, it becomes more and more emotional. It shows the physiological pattern. The feathers fluff up.
Do you suspect that human beings are taught aggression in the same way?
I think they are. I think you can see that they are, both as individuals and as groups or even nations. There are many instances in which one is reinforced for attacking another, and in the world of the green light, where that reinforcement prevails, we will always have problems of aggression. There is a possibility that we can construct some kind of world with a white light in which no one is reinforced for being aggressive, and it's just a possibility that in that case we wouldn't have the problem of aggression to deal with.
Thank you, Dr. Skinner. We'll be back in a moment.